Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Rolls Royce Ghost, a symbol of modern luxury and refined engineering. The Ghost continues to embody the timeless values of the Rolls Royce brand, blending exceptional comfort, cutting-edge technology, and handcrafted design into a driving experience like no other. The 2025 Ghost retains its majestic presence, now enhanced with subtle design refinements that make it more elegant and modern. The signature Pantheon grille is softly illuminated, giving the car an ethereal presence at night. Its sleek LED headlights and sculpted body lines add to its minimalist yet commanding appearance. Built on Rolls-Royce's proprietary aluminum spaceframe architecture, the Ghost ensures both structural rigidity and a remarkably smooth ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Ghost is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This powerhouse allows the Ghost to glide from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.8 seconds, an impressive feat for a car of its size and weight. Despite its massive power, the engine is whisper-quiet and buttery smooth, maintaining the serene experience Rolls-Royce is famous for. Power is sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission with GPS-assisted gear selection, which anticipates the road ahead to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. One of the defining features of the Ghost is its ride quality. Thanks to the planar suspension system, which includes a unique upper wishbone damper and flag bearer technology that scans the road ahead, the Ghost offers an unmatched magic carpet ride. Whether cruising along the highway or gliding through city streets, passengers experience near-total isolation from bumps and road imperfections. Step inside the Ghost and you're welcomed into a world of supreme craftsmanship. The cabin is a sanctuary of tranquility, with the finest leather, open-pore wood veneers, and precision-milled aluminum accents. Every detail is meticulously hand-finished by skilled artisans. The seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions, ensuring comfort for every journey. Rear passengers enjoy executive lounge seating with power-adjustable footrests, individual climate controls, and multimedia systems. The signature Starlight headliner adds a celestial charm to the cabin, made up of hundreds of tiny fiber optic lights that create the illusion of a night sky. An optional illuminated fascia displaying the Ghost nameplate in a constellation motif adds another layer of bespoke elegance. Technology in the 2025 Ghost is seamlessly integrated. A fully digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment screen with rotary controller provide access to navigation, media, and connectivity features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are standard. The bespoke 18-speaker Rolls-Royce audio system delivers a concert-like listening experience, tuned specifically for the acoustics of the Ghost's interior. The Ghost also features a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, a 360-degree camera, and collision avoidance technology. While the car is built for those who prefer to be chauffeured, it is equally satisfying for those who enjoy driving, offering precise steering and exceptional road manners. Customization is a cornerstone of the Rolls-Royce experience, and the 2025 Ghost is no exception. Buyers can choose from a virtually unlimited palette of exterior paints and interior finishes, including personalized embroidery, custom veneers, and unique color schemes. The bespoke program allows owners to make their Ghost truly one of a kind. Despite its luxurious nature, the 2025 Ghost also considers modern sensibilities. Features like automatic start-stop, improved aerodynamics, and intelligent energy management contribute to better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, without compromising performance or comfort. In essence, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is more than just a car. It's a statement of prestige, elegance, and timeless luxury. It manages to stay true to Rolls-Royce's heritage while embracing contemporary innovations and minimalist design. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the rear seat, every moment spent in the Ghost is a reminder of why it stands among the finest automobiles in the world. Thanks for watching today's video on the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Cars Land for more reviews of the world's most luxurious and exciting vehicles. I'll see you in the next video.